Let me get your picture.
All right, so these are all this stuff is stuff that I did not have in my house when I left the house today. We didn't have in our house. We went to Comic-Con and dressed up. Tara's still in her toga, and I was Spike Skywalker, Spike Spiegel, and Anakin or Luke Skywalker. Anyway, some of this is really cool. So Tara teaches at a school. This is some of her students' art. They were there. They were at a table. They were in the artist alley, and this is Sophia, and then this is Jordan, and they made these prints. And then also Jordan made this button. So this was $10, this was $10, and this was $1. So we spent $21 at the student table. And then we found this merchant of many things, a great many things. She was really cool. And her friend Gwen, and we took a video. I can't remember the friend's name offhand. We met so many people. But they had a deal. It was like 5 things for $20. It was like really cool things, like these snake ornaments. You could wear these as a necklace, as a diadem, whatever. It's like these are articulated. Look at this. Metal shapes into anything. There's one like a coral snake pattern on it. Another one's more smooth. And then these 2 awesome rings, $4 each. This one apparently takes your body temperature in Fahrenheit. See what it says degrees Fahrenheit here? Let me see if I can get this to focus. But it's just a cool looking ring anyway. It looks like something really expensive. And then this one has like an eternal knot, like chain on it. But it also has, if you can see this, Roman numerals. Very small in this rainbow metal pattern. $4 each. And then also this dragon bracelet, which is really cool because the hasp, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
The hasp? You open it up, and that's
the mouth.
The mouth, and that's what keeps it in place, or undoes it. So I just love this. Tara bought this, but I am going to wear it. And then, that's this person right here. So check that out. She apparently travels 41 weekends out of the year. What's next?
This.
Yeah, so we met this dude who wrote this book, and he signed it for us. I don't know where, on the back maybe? No, inside probably, next to his name. Oh, he did, he signed it. 2023. And he's the author, and he works with an amazing artist. You can see the artist is really good. And this is about ancient Greece, which I'm a big fan of, and I think that's this guy right here. And no, that's not Amiculus Books. That's a different guy. Okay, so this is... I don't think we got his business card. Yeah, it is. It's Amiculus Books. Yeah. Right here.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Yeah, it's the same guy. So then here's their information here. We did a bunch of videos, so we'll put those up too. Put links to all that stuff. Or just type in Pittsburgh Pat, 3 Rivers Comic-Con, because that's what will come up. Yeah, do your stuff. Take your toga off. And then this stuff was free. So like when you walked in, all these advertising buttons, you could get all these for free. This sticker. And then one of the first people we met was this dude who's dressed up like a biker scout. TB99920. He's pretty awesome. He was really cool. And he had an amazing uniform. And we ran into him a couple different times. And his favorite movies, The Empire Strikes Back, and his favorite Star Wars quote is, "I know." So how cool is that? 2 of my favorites as well. So I knew he was a cool dude. Anyway, I didn't even see under the helmet. We also met the Mandalorian. And then we met these guys that were in charge of the 501st, which I've always wanted to become a part of. So it looks like we might have to join the 501st finally after all these years. But Tara got all this stuff. Yeah. So tell me about this.
These are, I don't know what they're called, but they're really cool.
Yeah, they're like cones you put on your fingers and your Edward Scissorhands, except really awesome. And then these were $2 each. That's it.
Really fun.
$2 each?
They're just really fun to wear, if you're dressing up.
It's like when you eat bugles and you put them on your fingertips. You're the Wicked Witch.
You can wear just one, and you can wear a couple.
Did we buy anything else from them?
Yes, no. We tried on some things.
Yeah.
They had the elf ears.
Yes.
And then this guy, the dragons.
So there was a guy who had a 3D printing thing, and mechanized creativity. He had this full Batman Dark Knight samurai suit. It was insane. He won first place in the costume competition yesterday. So this dragon, which I love these colors, bluish green. Look at his face. Look at that cute little. What you just do? You kiss that little face. It's so cute. And then
the big scary guy.
Scary dragon.
Red dragon too. Like.
We're gonna hang him from the ceiling.
Oh man.
Yep, right through that tile. We're gonna hang it through the ceiling. And then we got Grogu, but Grogu has a surprise. He's got legs. You never see his legs in the Mandalorian. And he stands up too. He looks like he's getting high 10 you.
Yeah. But Grogu is to keep this Grogu.
Yeah, we got a Grogu that our friend absolutely. Our friend Jody made that by hand.
He needs a friend.
So he needed a friend. So I got like one handmade and another machine made, but still very good artistry.
They're just gonna look at each other.
So this was 20, 20, and 20. So that's 60. This was $7. This was 2. So now we're up to 60 or 10. Okay, so now we're up to 76. 77. All this for $20. So that was 97, and then 2 prints for. So we spent $117. So if you're going to go to Comic-Con,
we split it up.
Three Rivers Con, we split it 50-50. But what I'm saying is, like, I didn't expect to spend any money, like a lot of money.
Well, that's okay.
But I got paid yesterday, so that was cool. But, like, so we did that. And we passed out a bunch of stuff. So, like, we have a bunch of these Sharpies around here, so I put my YouTube channel name on it. We did sunglasses and flashlights, and they're gone. Flashlights are like little lightsabers. I was carrying a lightsaber. So that was a hit with this one little kid especially. Oh my God, that kid was like, I want to try a lightsaber again. He was just like having so much fun. And his dad, meanwhile, he's like, let me see it. Because his dad wanted to play with it. And his dad did like a zoom, like he did the classic like spin move. And I'm like, oh, Dad's got some chops. So he was really happy about that. So anyway, I'll probably run into him again. If he subscribes to the channel, lets me know where he is. Anyway, met a lot of really cool people. First con ever. And can't wait to do more. So if you guys have any comments, put them in the comment section below. And smashing like helps me. And I hope to see you on the next one. Watch all those other videos too. It's really good.